How to create and upload digital wall art on Etsy. So hi guys. So here I have actually created a wall art already through Canva. And what I did is that I just customized the size of our background right here. So for the background, I just simply use a plain color. So I just chose the blue color since I have a somewhere over the rainbow theme for my wall art. Now, another thing that I did is that here in this section, I added some elements. So as you can see, I have some birds right there, the clouds, the sun, and I added that one using the element section. Now for the words or the text, what I did is that I added a heading and I simply did right there. And in the effects section, what I did is I went to the shapes and by then, as you can see, I have created a shape of the text, a curve shaped, right? Now, the next thing is that I added some color on my text as well to make it rainbow-like. So I added the first three colors of the rainbow, the red, yellow, and orange. Now, another thing that I did was that in the font section, I actually chose um, a specific font that I would like to make use of for this wall art. And then once you're done editing everything, which I'm already good with, I'm going to simply click on share and download this. Make sure that the file type is in PNG or JPEG type. All right. Now I have actually downloaded this file right there in my computer. The next thing that I'm going to do is to simply create the mockup or how our mockup would look like. So let's go to our Canva homepage. And in here in the search bar, what we're going to do is to simply search for a wall frame mockup. Okay, once we have searched on the wall frame mockup, we will be able to see a wide variety of wall frame mockups right here. All right, so let's just choose the best one. If you are only using the free Canva account, make sure that you choose a design that is available for the free users. Say, for instance, we're going to make use of this one, the beige aesthetic minimal living room wall art. So you just simply need to customize this. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to delete the photo in the frame. Let's select that one and simply delete on it. Right. Now just delete the image, don't delete the grid. And here in our upload section, we're going to simply add our wall art that we have created a while ago. And there you have it. Now in this section, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna simply add this one as wall art and I'm gonna input the price. Okay, and below, right. Now once you're done typing, I am going to simply go to the lower side and I am going to input my username or my digital creator name. And there you have it. I have successfully created my design or wall mockup. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is also, if you want to change the background, by the way, guys, one thing that you can do is to go to the element section, or basically you just need to go to the design section, right? And we are going to look for a white wall. Okay. Say for instance, we want a white wall and we want to make use of this white wall right here. Click on it and then simply right click and make this as your background. Okay. And there you have it. Your background has changed. However, I'm going to make use of the one that we had a while ago, so I'm going to delete this one. I just showed it to you for some references if you want to make use of another background. Okay, now here we're going to download our um, wall mockup. Make sure that it's in JPEG or PNG form because we're going to download it in our Etsy account. So here I have my Etsy listing page. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to add a photo, and in here I'm going to add the photo that we have created from Canva. All right. Basically, the next thing that you're going to do is you can actually adjust the thumbnail if you would want to. You could also add a video if you do have one. And here in the listing details, you just need to add the title, what's the listing about, the category, primary color, and the likes. So just go over, make sure that you actually answer all those that are in asterisk because if you miss that out, you cannot continue listing the product. Now here I am going to show you some examples of our wall arts here in Etsy. Okay, let's simply type in digital wall art. And basically, if you click on it or you hit on enter, you will be routed to this page where you can see a lot of designs or digital wall arts that you can choose from. Okay, so let's take a look at one um, art right here. Let me check first. Okay, say for example this one with the mushroom. Okay, let's go back. Right. So as you can see, the one with the mushroom right here does not have a frame. So that's actually possible if you want to have it like that or just simply your plain design, then you can actually add that one right there. However, I just wanted to make, a very beautiful design for my customers as well, right? So most of the digital wall arts in Etsy cost from 3 pesos up to 1,000 pesos, depending on the artist fee. All right, and in this one, you can actually see it ranges to 230 pesos. Now, this is not the only way to create and upload your digital wall art, but I just showed you one way using Canva. There are actually a lot of platform and softwares that you can make use of. And that's about it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you find this video helpful.